Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Shark DuoClean is probably one of the most innovative vacuum cleaners on the market, and today, we're diving deep into its features. From its unique dual-brushroll system to its powerful suction, this vacuum promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. But does it live up to the hype? Join me as we explore its performance on various surfaces, assess its maneuverability, and determine if it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Shark NV752 TruePet Upright Vacuum. This vacuum features a 2-in-1 powered lift-away technology. It allows you to detach the pod for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The brush roll keeps spinning, ensuring a thorough clean. With advanced swivel steering, maneuvering is effortless. You can easily navigate around furniture and into tight spaces. This feature makes cleaning corners and edges a breeze. The vacuum utilizes anti-allergen complete seal technology with a HEPA filter. It traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside. This ensures a cleaner and healthier home environment. It has a large capacity dust cup, allowing for longer cleaning sessions. Emptying the dust cup is quick and easy. You can remove it in seconds to dispose of the debris. The vacuum is equipped with LED headlights. These powerful lights illuminate hidden debris and pet hair. You'll be able to see everything, ensuring a complete clean. Easily switch between cleaning modes with fingertip controls. You can effortlessly transition from hard floors to carpets. This versatility makes it suitable for various surfaces. This vacuum includes a self-cleaning pet power brush. It's designed to remove pet hair and ground and dirt. It's perfect for cleaning carpeted stairs and upholstery. What we like? This vacuum features a lift-away technology, allowing you to detach the pod for easy cleaning of stairs and furniture. It also has an anti-allergen seal, perfect for allergy sufferers. If you have pets and need to tackle pet hair on various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The DuoClean technology works great on both carpets and hard floors. It has strong suction power. Number 4. EUREKA PowerSpeed NU182A Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner features a dynamic motor and brush roll, effortlessly lifting stubborn debris. The 12.6-inch wide nozzle ensures a quick and efficient cleaning experience. Weighing only 10 pounds, this upright vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's designed for whole home cleaning, making your cleaning tasks easier. With 5 height adjustments, it adapts to various surfaces like carpets and hard floors. The smooth wheels protect your hardwood floors from scratches. The extra-large 2.6L dust cup holds more dirt, reducing the frequency of emptying. This allows you to clean more areas without interruption. It comes with multiple accessories for versatile cleaning. The quick-release handle and stretch hose are perfect for above-floor cleaning, and the crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool tackle hard-to-reach areas. What we like? This vacuum is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. It also has a large dust cup, reducing the frequency of emptying. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use vacuum for whole home cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. Canister, wow. Canister holds a lot and I can easily see when it's getting full. Depending on the setting you put it on, it can really suck everything out of your carpeting or rugs. The bag-less system is simple to use and super easy to empty, and does not require replaceable filters, which is a plus. Number 3. Shark Stratos HC3002 Corded Stick Vacuum. Introducing the Shark Stratos. This vacuum boasts ultra-powerful suction, making it easy to clean up messes. It is designed to pick up hair with ease. The DuoClean PowerFins Hair Pro system features 2 brush rolls. This system digs deep into carpets and directly engages hard floors. It picks up dirt, debris, and hair in every pass. Worried about bad odors? This vacuum has odor neutralizer technology. It guards against bad odors inside, helping to freshen your home. Say goodbye to hair wrap. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup. It does this without the hassle of hair wrapping around the brush roll. This vacuum features the anti-allergen complete seal. It works with the HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens. This keeps them inside the vacuum cleaner. Need a hand vac? This vacuum has a lightweight hand vac. It provides powerful suction and weighs under 3 pounds. See hidden debris with the LED headlights. These powerful lights on the nozzle reveal pet hair and dirt. It helps you clean around your home. What we like. The Stratos offers powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, eliminating hair wrap. It also features odor neutralizer technology, keeping your home smelling fresh. If you like a vacuum that tackles pet hair and eliminates odors, you should consider this one. What people say. The vacuum cleaner is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has great suction and picks up everything, even pet hair. The DuoClean technology works well on both carpets and hard floors. Number 2. Shark Rotator Liftaway LA502 Vacuum. This vacuum features DuoClean Power Fins technology, with 2 brush rolls for continuous contact. It provides deeper cleaning and picks up more debris on both carpets and hard floors with every pass. This makes cleaning much more efficient. Say goodbye to hair wrap with the self-cleaning brush roll. This feature ensures powerful pet hair pickup, making it the ideal choice for homes with pets. It's designed to make your cleaning experience easier and more effective. Designed to pick up more hair with zero hair wrap, this upright vacuum is perfect for pet owners. It efficiently tackles hair on both carpet and hardwood floors. You'll find that it makes cleaning up after your pet's a breeze. The lift-away detachable pod allows you to clean stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas. This feature makes it perfect for whole home and multi-surface vacuuming needs. It provides flexibility and ease of use. Trap 99.9% of dust and allergens with the HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology. This is great for allergy-prone households. It ensures a cleaner and healthier living environment. Lighter than other models, yet it delivers more suction for cleaning carpets, floors, rugs, and pet hair. It provides powerful cleaning performance across the entire home. You will be amazed by its performance. Bright LED headlights on the nozzle expose hidden dirt, dust, and pet hair. It makes deep cleaning easier and more effective, even under furniture. This feature ensures you don't miss any spots. What we like. This vacuum features DuoClean Power Fins technology for superior cleaning on carpets and hard floors. The self-cleaning brush roll is perfect for pet owners. If you are looking for a vacuum that provides deep cleaning and is easy to maneuver, this is the one for you. What people say. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The DuoClean technology is effective on both carpets and hard floors. The suction power is strong and picks up dirt and debris efficiently. Number 1. Shark Rocket UV480 Self-Cleaning Vacuum, Renewed. This is the Shark Rocket UV480, a self-cleaning vacuum. It's designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. The DuoClean technology ensures that it can handle various surfaces. It effortlessly transitions from carpets to hard floors. This vacuum is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The corded design provides consistent power for uninterrupted cleaning. The self-cleaning brush roll removes hair wrap, so you don't have to. This feature saves you time and effort during cleaning. It delivers powerful suction to capture dirt and debris. This renewed vacuum offers great performance. Experience the convenience and power of the Shark Rocket UV480. It's a great choice for keeping your home clean. What we like. This vacuum features DuoClean technology for effective cleaning on multiple surfaces. The self-cleaning brush roll is a great feature for pet owners. If you like a lightweight and powerful vacuum for quick cleanups, this is the one for you. What people say. This little vac picks up all the hair in one swipe. It works equally as well on hard floors as it does on carpet. I love this vacuum. It has great suction, especially for pet hair. 1 dog medium coarse hair and 2 cats. It works good on low-profile area rugs and hardwood floors. Especially for cat litter. The self-cleaning brush works great on dog fur so far. It is quieter than a full-size vac and easier to move around, minus the fact you can't set it down easily to move a chair or a table. The cup opens easily and the debris dumps easily into the trash can. The 25-foot cord is adequate. There are 2 cleaning modes, one for bare floors which operates only the soft brush and the low-pile carpet mode that kicks in the second bristle brush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.